Hello guys, I hope you all are well. Today I am discussing about the ancient history of science. Are you know who is the first discover about gravity? Sir Isaac Newton. No, then who? Who was the father of surgery? Joel Dalton was the first discovered atomic theory. Then who was Acharya Kanat? There are many examples in the history of science, including some anonymous scientists in India. All these scientific creations were discovered in India at a time when the world was limited to gathering only food and water. Now we are discussing about such 7 ancient scientists whose creations gives us a new innovation. Number 7. Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was born on 476 AD in present-day Patna, Bihar. Aryabhatta was a mathematician, astronomer, astrologer and physicist. At the age of 23, he wrote a text called Aryabhatta that covered both mathematics and astronomy. His most significant contribution was that concept of zero. He is also acknowledged for calculating pi to 4 decimal places. An expert astronomer, Aryabhatta rejected the popular view that Earth is achala or immovable. He was in fact the first to assert that the Earth is round and it rotates its own axis and orbit of the Sun. This was nearly 1,000 years before Nicolaus Copernicus published his heliocentric theory. The discovery of zero enabled Aryabhatta to find out the exact distance between the Earth and the Moon. He also revised the concept of Rahu following the Moon, causing the eclipse, and gave the scientific explanation for the solar and lunar eclipse. India's first satellite sent to space was named after him, Aryabhatta. Number 6. Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was born on 598 AD. He was one of the most important students of Aryabhatta Astronomical School. He was the first to give a rule to compute with zero. He introduced negative numbers and operation of zero into mathematics. He has authored 2 works on mathematics and astronomy, the Brahmasputa Siddhanta and the Khandakadayaka. Number 5. Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya was born on 1114 AD in Vijaypur in Karnataka. He was the first to discover gravity 500 years before Sir Isaac Newton. His note on the force of gravity says objects fall on the earth due to the force of attraction by the earth. Therefore, the earth, planet, constellations, moon and sun are held in their orbit due to this attraction. He was an unparalleled mathematician and astronomer. He authored the book Siddhanta Ceremony with detailed description of planetary positions, eclipse, cosmography, astronomical equipment and mathematical technique. Bhaskaracharya, also known as Bhaskara II, introduced the Chakravarti method or cyclic method to solve algebraic equations. This method was rediscovered 6 centuries later by European mathematicians who called it an inverse cycle. Number 4. Nagarjuna. Nagarjuna was one of the earliest alchemists and metallurgists in India. Nagarjuna was a 10th century scientist. He was working on chemistry and metallurgy. The main aim of his experiment was to transform base element into gold. Although he was not successful, but he succeeded in making an element with gold-like sign. Today this technology is used to making imitation jewelry. He has authored a book called Rasaratna, where he has discussed method for the extraction of material like gold, silver, tin and copper, etc. Number 3. Acharya Kanad. Kasapa was born on 600 BC in Gujarat. Right from his childhood days, Kasapa was attracted to minute things in particles. Once while in Prague, he saw the town's roads and the bank of rivers Ganga littered with flowers and rice grains. he started collecting the grains of rice. People gathered around him, wondering why he was doing so. On being questioned, he said that, however small the object, it was a part of the universe. Individual grains might seem useless, but the collection could serve as someone's meal. Since the people started calling him Acharya Kannad. In Sanskrit, Acharya means teacher and Kannad means smallest particles. He explained the atomic theory of matter. He saw every object of creation is made of atoms which in turn contact with each other to form molecules. His statement on the atomic theory was the first time ever in the world, much before Greek philosopher Democritus and Lucifus, and nearly 2500 years before John Dalton. He emphasized that the atom was an indestructible particle of matter. He further described the dimension and motion of atoms and their chemical reaction with each other. Number 2. Acharya Charak. Acharya Charak is famously known as the father of medicine and is recognized as one of the principal contributions to the ancient study of Ayurveda, a system of medicine and lifestyle developed in ancient India. He presented to the world many facts on human anatomy, embryology, pharmacology, blood circulation and disease like diabetes, heart disease, etc. He was the royal doctor in the court of Kanishka. Charakya is believed to be the first physician to present the concept of digestion, metabolism and immunity. He explained that the human body functions because it contains three dosa of principle. Namely, movement is Vata, transformation is Pitta, and lubrication and stability is Kapha. Further, he stated that illness is caused when the balance among the three dosa in the human body are disturbed. To restore the balance, he prescribed medicinal drugs. Charak Samhita is written by him, which is considered as an encyclopedia of Ayurveda. His work described the medicinal qualities and function of 100,000 herbal plants. The book has detailed descriptions of a large number of diseases and reason for their causes as well as treatment. He laid emphasis on removing the cause of the disease rather than just treating the illness. Number 1. Sushrut. Sushrut was born on 800 BC. He is the father of surgery and the master in the science of anesthesia. It is believed that he was from South India but practiced at Varanasi. The religious texts suggest that he learned surgery from Dhanvantri, the Hindu god of medicine. When surgery was taking its baby step in the rest of the whole world, Sushrut was performed rhinoplasty, which is the restoration of a damaged nose, and ophthalmic surgeries, which is the removal of cataract in the eye. He used 125 type of surgical instrument, which was mostly designed from the jaw of animals and birds. He is also described a number of stitching methods using horsehairs and fibers of bark as thread. He studied human anatomy with the help of a dead body. The method of selecting and preserving a dead body for the purpose of its detailed study has also been described in his text. His book Sushrut Samhita is venerated as an exclusive encyclopedia of surgery. It has detailed description of the first ever surgery, along with a very accurate step-by-step description of 300 other operations. Now have you any question on your mind? Put it into comment section. We hope you enjoy this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like and share button. If you have not already subscribed, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more informational videos. Thank you.